how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm making for you guys some banana bread. So in it I'm going to use some flax meal that I already added water to, some agave, mixed spice, baking powder, salt, baking soda, vanilla, oil, bananas, and a mixture of flour. Now in my mix of flour I have spelt flour, coconut flour, and sweet potato flour. At this point you want to make sure you add all your dry ingredients first before the lid. You want to give it a quick stir to combine everything. And then you add your mixture as well. This is the mixture I got. My family is very big, so I have to make enough, but I'm gonna put in the description box so you guys can, if you want to reduce it, because this is a lot. So you want to make sure as well that your oven is set at 220 degrees to preheat the oven. And so I'm going to just pour this and prepare it for baking. Okay, so you guys can see that I get 2 baking pan full of the mixture, so I'm going to just bake it for 30 minutes or until your toothpick is dry. Now that 30 minutes has elapsed, I want to show you guys the texture of the cake. It's very soft. It's cooling down now even though I cut it for you guys. I can show you how exactly it looks. See, very soft. It's not fully cooled as yet, but thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing plant-based recipes. Bye!